What's up guys? You're welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about what you need to do after recovering your hacked account. If you like mobile related content like this one, please subscribe so you don't miss out on all the pro tips that I'll be dropping in subsequent videos. Let's jump right in. If your account was hacked and you successfully recovered the account, first of all, I would like to say congratulations. Now, once you have recovered your account, you need to do some housekeeping. So the very first thing you need to do is to check out your personal information. Now, after hacking into your account, the hacker or whoever it was must have changed a phone number or an email address or something to make sure that he has his way back into the back end of your account. So you have to go check out your personal information and be sure that your phone number is the correct phone number that you would like to be there, that the email address is actually your email address, to ensure that when whoever it is comes back to try to access your account, that you will not have any way of retrieving the account back from you. To correct your personal information, first of all, you go to settings. I think we've done a lot of things on settings these few days. You go to settings, click on personal information. You have the opportunity to change your email, your phone number, and a few other settings there. Once you are done correcting your personal information, you have to go ahead and set up two-factor authentication. I have talked about two-factor authentication before now, and I'm going to link it in a card somewhere there. Set up two-factor authentication. Now, to set up two-factor authentication, I'm just going to mention the steps here. You go to settings, click on security and login, and then tap on two-factor authentication. There are three options there. We have SMS, we have authentication software. Now, when you are done setting up two-factor authentication, that's very good. That means the next thing is you make sure that you have a very strong password in place. When we talk about strong password, it has to contain a capital letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and some specific symbols, @ underscore, dash, etc. Now, but you need to note this, that the complexity of your password doesn't really matter much when it comes to password strength. What really matters is the length. So as you are making it complex, make sure it is long, about 8 to 10, in fact, as long as you can make your password be, because the longer it is, the more difficult it is to break into your account. Now, there's another option I would also like you to consider: selecting friends that can enable you get back your account in a case where you are locked out. There's an option there, and for you to be able to do that, for you to be able to choose friends that can enable you to enter your account even after you have been locked out, go to settings, go to security and login, and then you will see the very first option at the top. It says choose friends. It says choose friends to contact choose friends to contact if you get locked out or something like that. So you go there, click on that option, pick a few very close people, not distant people, so you won't have to make too many phone calls. Just call people that live around you, maybe your brother, your sister, your dad, your mom, depending on whoever you have on Facebook that you can trust. So you select those people. In a case where you get locked out, even if you lose your phone, you lose your email address, you lose everything, at least those people will enable you to get your account back. So having done all these things, we are now very sure that nothing was left behind to enable whoever it was to gain back access to your account. Then I would now say doubly congratulations. Now your account is safe. Now that you have learned all these things, I will drop another video here. You watch that video if it is relevant to your situation, and then please consider subscribing. It's very, very important to me that you subscribe and you stick around. Drop a like on the video, share it with your friends, and we'll see in the next video.